Can you please give it up for Super Spicy Cream? Go on to Beyond Victoria to collect your prize. We have a mini electric popcorn maker and a $200 gift card. Team Captain Super Cat K doing very well. Doing very well.
I'm super proud of him. My God. Second place, yes.
As well as Icy Cream.
Chat, I'm happy that we got second place.
Same. The camera, I guess, all smiles. Take a screenshot. There you go. A mini electric popcorn maker and a $200 gift card. Thank you very much, Team Super Spicy Cream. Back to next station. We were like, thank you so much. Thank you so much, team. And of course, in second place, Team Beauties and the Beast, a desktop mini fridge and a $200 gift card coming your way from Ruru-sama, Minx Kitty, Tango. Congratulations.
There's a black envelope.
Now the three of you have to split one fridge then.
What? What? Look at the fridge! Oh my god, the fridge! Oh my god!
Okay, I'll hold it.
Lord!
This is all I wanted in my life.
Lord!
Established drink companies here in Singapore. Congratulations to Beauties and the Beast.
Thank
Big
you.
winners today, Chef's Choice. And of course, winning second place. But last but not
So we have to
least,
split the fridge?
they,
What?
I affectionately call them the OG Twitch streamers here in Singapore. They've come in
How the
first.
heck are you carrying
Winning
it
for
like that?
himself, the Nespresso Ascenza Mini and the Aerotuner bundle, along with a $250 gift card. Give it up for Team
Wars!
Zumi, Wolf's Bane with 2 E's, and Suka's Blood, who has been so well behaved today.
We got a mini fridge, chat! Flowers! Look at this! If we open it. Woo! So cute.
Twitch Bits.
Oh, that's so cute!
Okay, I mean, not that we have pyro or whatsoever, but when I count to 3, can you all just raise up the hands? Okay? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, champion! All right.
Lord.
Can I invite every single streamer along with the judges to the front stage? Let's have a group shot together.
Group
I
photo,
think we can
chat.
take some screenshots later.
Chat, you guys are gonna be in the photo too.
What an evening! What a night it has been. When we
I'm just gonna leave my
and
thing.
out, come cook. Rolls above all the odds. And
I'll put you guys here, Chad.
in Streamer Chef Heaven with your brand new Nespresso Ascenza Mini and the Aerotuner bundle along with your gift card worth $250. Can we mingle now, I guess. So, yeah, let's get a screenshot. Can we all look at this camera? Look at this camera here. We're cutting there. BTS shot. Let's go. Let's all smile for that camera up there. 1, 2, 3. All right. And by the way, if you're watching this on chat, if you've been with us since 2 p.m. Singapore time when we started, thank you so much for watching us. This has been fun. We hope to have more Twitch Rival events here in Singapore. Maybe you can suggest, where am I looking? Maybe you can suggest on what's coming next for Twitch Rivals Streamer Edition here in Singapore or in one of the region of Asia. Chat, or rather chat. Streamers, anything you want to say to chat right now? Anything at all?
Thank you for watching!
Easy I'm guessing I'm allowed to close the show. So to Victoria and beyond, thank you so much for being our judges out there. And to be fair to all streamers, Tango, Super Cat K, Ruru-sama, Minx Kitty, Icy Cream, Spicy You, we got Wolf's Baby 2E, Zumi, and Suka's Blood behind. Please support them. Join in the Twitch community. We love you. Bye-bye. We'll see you. Take care. Bye, guys. As we go, we remember all the times we had together. Yeah, well done, guys.
Alright. This one is gonna be like this, so Alright. Spicy.
The job
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you guys gonna do a boomerang? Okay. Okay.
What are you doing with the boomerang then? Anything?
Doing stuff, okay?
Okay, dry humping.
Stuff.
If you feel something in your back, you know what it is.
Please TOS, you must follow up. Okay. Ready?
Oh shit, TOS.
Ready?
TOS.
1, 2, 3. Alright. Thank you guys.
Alright, chat. Alright, chat. I gotta go. Bye, guys. I gotta catch a flight. See you.
Nice. I have no idea. They was like one. Alright, guys. Alright, then I'm just going to be adding screen.
Don't leave me hanging. Guys,